Hi guys, Chox here, and welcome back to my channel, to the cupcake playlist. I am going to show you how to make the number 4 for a pull-apart cake today. Let's go check it out. Here we go with the easy design for number 4. This takes 24 cupcakes, and we are going to get started on the first 2 rows of 7 cupcakes up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I think we want this over to the side of the board a little bit better. There we go. And then we've got 4 and 5. We're going to start doing the crossbar for the 4. And we'll put 3 in there. And then 2 more and 2 more, which should leave us with an even top up here. You can make these cakes all one flavor cupcake or multiple flavor cupcakes or whatever flavor cupcakes you want. But there we go, number 4 with 24 cupcakes. Now this cake is ready to be anchored down and flat iced. Thank you so much for hanging out here with me in the cupcake playlist. Please click one of the iCards or one of the boxes that are coming up right now, and it'll take you back to the playlist or to another cupcake decorating video. How to place the numbers for number pull-apart cakes.